In the world of B2B product sales, success depends on more than just good customer service. Your sales team also needs accurate inventory data, clear pricing, fast coding tools, and reliable order history, ideally all in one place. That's why many wholesalers, distributors, and manufacturers are turning to Prospect CRM. Prospect CRM is a cloud-based customer relationship management platform specifically designed for product selling businesses. It integrates deeply with inventory and accounting systems, giving sales and customer service teams real-time access to essential stock and customer data. With built-in coding tools, automation, and insights, Prospect CRM helps you improve customer experience and streamline operations without sacrificing control. In this video, we'll walk you through Prospect CRM's most powerful features, explain how they benefit B2B teams, and show why it's one of the most effective CRMs for inventory-driven businesses today. So for its key features and benefits, first is the customer and order history management. Prospect CRM creates a detailed profile for every customer, complete with order history, contact logs, pricing agreements, and service interactions. It syncs with systems like QuickBooks, Xero, Sage, or Unleashed to pull in transactional and financial data automatically. Sales and support reps can easily reference past purchases, reorder patterns, or outstanding invoices, all without leaving the CRM. This leads to faster service, more accurate coding, and better customer relationships. Another key feature is the live inventory integration. Unlike general purpose CRMs, Prospect CRM shows live stock levels from your inventory management or ERP system. Whether you have one warehouse or multiple locations, your team will always know what's available, low, or out of stock. No more manual checks or delayed follow ups. Your team can give customers real time answers, code with confidence, and reduce the risk of overselling or missing a sale due to uncertainty. Another key feature is the coding and sales pipeline management. With Prospect CRM's built-in coding tools, your team can create professional, branded codes with product images, stock availability, and real-time pricing. Sales pipelines are fully customizable, allowing you to set deal stages, forecast revenue, and track progress visually. Sales reps can move faster from inquiry to code to order, all while staying organized. Automated reminders and task tracking help ensure no opportunity is missed and follow ups happen on time. Another key feature is the B2B e commerce and reordering tools. Prospect CRM supports digital self service through its B2B portal, where customers can view past orders, reorder items, or request quotes. You can also send reordering reminders based on purchase frequency. This reduces manual sales involvement for routine orders, improves the customer experience, and increases repeat business with minimal effort from your team. Another key feature is the integration with accounting and inventory systems. Prospect CRM integrates with popular platforms like Unleashed, Deer Systems, Katana, QuickBooks, Xero, Sage, and more. This means your CRM becomes the front end for sales while still relying on your core systems for financial and logistics. You eliminate duplicate data entry and maintain a single source of truth across departments. Sales, support, finance, and fulfillment all stay in sync, reducing errors and boosting efficiency. So, why is Prospect CRM a great choice? Prospect CRM is built specifically for companies that sell physical products, not software, not services. Its inventory aware design, tight integrations with accounting and stock systems, and sales focused features make it a standout choice for B2B product businesses. In 2025, this focus is more important than ever as supply chains remain dynamic and customer expectations continue to rise. The platform also offers strong flexibility, allowing you to customize views, workflows, and fields to match your business processes. Whether you have a small sales team or a large distributed one, Prospect CRM helps them work more intelligently with relevant, up to date information at their fingertips. So basically, if your business depends on accurate inventory, fast coding, and lasting customer relationships, Prospect CRM is a powerful tool worth considering. It combines the strength of traditional CRM tools with deep inventory and order insights, making it ideal for wholesalers, manufacturers, and distributors. With integrated coding, real time stock visibility, and seamless syncing to accounting and warehouse systems, Prospect CRM helps your sales team close deals faster and with greater accuracy. In 2025, using a CRM that understands the full sales to fulfillment cycle isn't just an advantage, it's essential for growth and efficiency. Prospect CRM brings clarity and control to the front lines of your business. So, if you're ready to elevate your sales process and better serve your customers, it's a great place to start. So, that's basically it for this video. So, if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.